Now this is giving real hair for real. Look how good it looks. Like, this is my real hair. It's giving real classy, period. Short hair eats.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, if y'all want to see how I installed this wig, then keep watching the video. These are just a few clips of me wearing the wig on different days, so y'all stay tuned for the install. Period. Alright y'all, so I bleached the knots, I plucked the wig and washed it, conditioned it. So now I'm going to go ahead and install it. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty and my beauty blender and tint the lace on this wig. The description says that the lace is a transparent HD lace, so I really shouldn't have to tint it too much. It looks pretty good on my hand, but it is a little bit white, so I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup to it. All right, y'all, so sometimes I do the ball cap method, but sometimes I just leave my wig cap like this because honestly, you can't even see it under my hair. And I'm not gonna be leaving this wig on for a long time, y'all. And yeah, once I put the makeup on, you can't even notice that. Like, it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna do it like that, and then comb back all the hair and put on this band to help it melt. So for the most part, the ends of this wig are like even. Like, it's not really, there's not pieces that are hanging down lower than others, except for right here where it's like, I want that to be a little bit more even, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit. Even though I do want layers, I don't like how it's going like this and not like that. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit, just a little. I'm gonna take this razor and give it a little bit of layers in the front. Just a little bit, so it frames my face a little better. That is so perfect. Like, that looks so good. Okay, one thing about curly hair is you really got to play with the ends. I always trim the ends on my curly hair. Honestly, on all my wigs, I trim the ends on all my wigs because sometimes the ends just do not look good. They either look thin or they look like stringy. There's some pieces hanging down, but once you trim it and cut it so that it looks clean, it makes the ends look healthier. So I always trim the ends on. I might cut that little piece right there too. I always trim the ends on my curly hair because it helps the curls to curl better, so the ends don't look straight. It looks more clean, it looks more natural. Like, that's giving, period. This wig looks so good, y'all. And me, I'm the type of girl, like, I love long hair. I really do love long hair. But lately, these short wigs, I've been loving these short wigs because they look so natural. Like, now this is giving real hair for real. Like, I could really get people to think this is my real hair. And I'm sure a lot of people do think when I wear these short wigs that it's my real hair, because look how good it looks. Like, this is my real hair, and I love these short wigs. And you know, I used to be the kind of girl that I used to feel some type of way about getting short wigs sent to me and everything, and I always wanted long hair. But like, short hair eats. Like, this, it's giving real classy, period. Short hair eats. I'm trying to decide if I want to cut the front or leave it long. I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Actually, no, give it some layers. I'm always gonna opt for layers because the layers just give it the more natural, realistic look. Like, I just feel like when you're wearing wigs, the point is people are not supposed to really know it's a wig. It shouldn't be that obvious, you know? And if it's that obvious, then you either don't have a good wig or you're not wearing your wig right. It's supposed to look natural, like, period. That's giving my real hair. So I'm happy with this length. I like the way it's looking. I like how the ends are curling up. Except for this right here is kind of bothering me. But I don't want to take off too much of the length. But I might have to cut that because that just looks like uneven. But yeah, this wig is, I love this wig. And I love the way the lace looks. The lace does look transparent. Like, look, y'all. Once I cut this off, I didn't even have to put much makeup on it. Like, I put a little bit of makeup on the lace, but it looks so good. So now I'm gonna take my brow shaper and I'm gonna cut off this lace and cut around my hairline. This lace looks so good, y'all. And one thing I have learned about wearing wigs is when you're cutting the lace, like, don't leave extra lace that doesn't have any hair on it, because that is what makes it look like you're wearing a wig. Okay? And that's not what we want. We want it to give real hair. So yeah, cut all the lace off. I think that looks really good so far. Now switch it over to the middle part so y'all can see a middle part. I like my hair to look like a wet look, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some gel on my hair. I really like the middle part. Yeah, this is my look. I either like my hair to be like wet like this and like be like fully like wet and gelled down, or I like my hair to be dry. And when it's dry, it needs to be all the way dry, not halfway. Look at how the ends curl up. That is so satisfying to me. I'm actually about to go work out, so I'm going to pull this back into a little ponytail, and I'll show y'all that. All right, y'all. Y'all, the lace and the curls on this wig look so good. Like, this looks so good. Like, I really do love this hair. So that is the end of this video, y'all. I didn't really close it out properly, but I'll do it now. This is the hair. This is actually on another day, which is why it looks a little different, and I have on makeup and my outfit's different. But yeah, this is the same wig. I loved it. Turned out so bomb, and thank y'all for watching. Also, y'all, feel free to leave any comments or questions, and if the video helped you or you enjoyed it, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see more content just like this. Thank y'all.